Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video short series. So we just saw last time the classes concept, right, in Python programming. So let's just see a new topic, that's object. Okay, so if you are of course learning classes, so you need to learn about the object, right? So this is really very important, one more important topic, like what is an object in Python, right? So of course if you're talking about the classes, so you would be, I would say, it's really mandatory to know about the objects. Okay, so let's see here. An object is a real world instance of a class. Okay, so a class is like a blueprint, as we just saw in the last video, right? So let's just go through first of all the theory in the slide. So an object is the actual thing created from the blueprint. Okay, so like in Python, everything is an object. Okay, if you would understand on a primary stage. Okay, so strings, lists, numbers, everything is like even the functions are considered as object. But basically object is like, let me tell you a very simple example. We have here example analogy. So class is like a blueprint of a car. Okay, just for basic understanding, sake of understanding. And object is something, a real car made using the, I mean, there could be number of cars, right? But the logic is same for creating out the different, I mean, number of cars, right? Though like we have the logic single, right? But we can create out multiple cars by using out that logic, right? So class is something which is the blueprint. By the help of blueprint you can create different number of objects. Okay, so you may can create many cars, right, which is nothing but the objects, right, by using out the same class, nothing but the blueprint. So let me just tell you, like take you towards the Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to take here the class, let's say car. Now I'm just going to create out here a like constructor which would be in it, which would be taking the parameter as self. Okay, and a name parameter. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the name of a car, right? So I'm just going to give here, let's say Maruti. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the object. So for creation of object, I need to write the variable name and equals to, and just use the simply whatever the class name and use the parenthesis. That's all, the object is being created. Now with the help of this object, you can just access your name, whatever the value of name would be, that you guys would be getting out here. Okay, so actually we did a mistake here. We can just simply give here from name the value would be entered out. Okay, and here simply we can just pass out the value from the class, that is Maruti. Okay, so Maruti is again a class, I mean car, right, a model of car. So we just got the result here Maruti. By the help of object, we just try to access our name variable, okay, which is nothing but the data Maruti. This is how you guys can use out the object in Python. Okay, so I hope this is going to be a useful theory for you. Thank you so much.